200 is Nikon, and 150 is Canon. Okay, here this is our original table. We have to divide it into two tables, R1 table and R2 table. Our concept is R is equal to R1 union R2. We have to do R1 union R2. Here R1 table combines with R2 table. Okay, we have to see. We write all the attributes like model name, and the next one price of model, and next one category. These three are the attributes. Okay, we have to combine. How to combine? Here we have to take model name is A11. Okay, A11. Category is Canon. In R2 we have Canon, two are there. Two categories are there. Canon names are two are there. How to combine A11 Canon? We don't know about here price of the model is there, but we don't know model name. How A11 is 100 or to 150, we don't know. We have to combine all this. Okay, A11 Canon have 100 rupees. Price of the model is Canon. And next one is A11. Here another Canon is there. Here price is 150. Okay, A11 price is 150, and category is also Canon. Okay, next one S20. S20. Here S20 is Nikon. Price is 200. There is only one Nikon is there. That's why we don't have any redundancy. Okay, and again SA20. Okay, A20 Canon are two are there. Here model name is A20. We don't know the price of a Canon is 100 or 150. We have to combine two. First one 100 is Canon. A20 150 is Canon. Okay, Canon. This is R1 union R2 table. We have to see what is there. Here this is the original table. Okay, R is the original table. We have to divide the original table into two times. Again we have to combine these two. We have to see always R1 union R2 not equal to R. This is the concept of decomposition.